All right, so we got Monsieur Christophe, the barman.
Bang, bang.
Tell us, what are we doing?
All right, baby, we're making a pre-mixed margarita.
Okay.
Because it's a little fiesta, baby, so you gotta make it sexy. If it don't feel like Mexico, then it ain't Mexico, you know what I mean? Hey, man, I won't lie to you, they don't call me Bar Daddy for no reason.
But tonight, Bar Puppy.
He's actually not lying. I don't call him that, but, you know, I know people who call him me.
Eat, sleep, breathe, dream. Hospitality.
With the stuff. Oh, she hit the flow. Next thing you know, shut it out. Oh, no, no, no. What's up, guys? It is the day after the staff party. I was DJing for my fellow mates.
F is for friends who do stuff together.
Now, I didn't film throughout the day because I was super tired. I woke up late and I wanted to get to work on time. Today, we will be doing spark plug, oil change, and if you guys remember, punching out those broken screws on the bumper harness, bumper, whatever. Those broken screws are gonna be punching them out, replacing them with new ones. Now, I really gotta get this stuff done tonight because of my busy schedule. I told myself I would force myself to get this stuff done. I mean, I might be saying forcing myself like it's a task or a chore, but I genuinely enjoy doing this stuff because I'm challenging myself. I'm keeping my schedule like to the T. I know where I have to be, when I have to be there. There's room for some playing and then like joyful moments. The grind doesn't stop, so you gotta keep going. I'm gonna take a power nap. We're gonna head to the garage. See you guys there. All right, so we're finally here at the shop. Huge shout out again to Mitch and Steve for letting me use the spot. Honestly, I appreciate your support. That's all I could ever ask for, is just to let me actually learn and do my thing, and you know, yeah. So, oil change, spark plugs, and replacing those 3 broken screws. I will be learning how to do 2 of the 3, which is oil change and spark plug. The broken screw part, they have to punch them out or whatever. Not that it sounds complicated, I would rather just not fuck it up and let like a pro do it, and then take the passenger seat and actually learn, so I could actually try it myself at a different location that's not so important in a car. So as I was mentioning at the Canadian Tire, you would usually put OW30 in my car for the winter because of viscosity. Supposedly is better for the engine startup when it's really cold. For today, I got the Mobile 1 Extended Performance because I was so short pressed for time and I wanted it done tonight. What we're doing in the next couple, like I'd say month or so, just easy driving, nothing crazy. This works just fine. I also went to a local oil changer spot to get the OEM filter for my car. Rally Art parts is really hard to get at a local parts shop because you have to either order it in, or people just give you the wrong part for just a base model Lancer, for example, because they don't understand that Evo is an Evo, a Rally Art's a Rally Art, and a base model Lancer is completely different. Anyways, got everything I need. Same thing for these spark plugs. These spark plugs were a pain in the ass to get because every time we ordered them online, it would say it's Evo Rally Art because they both use the same spark plugs. We would get the wrong one. They would be too short. Now we got the proper length ones, the one that actually fit. The ILKR 8E6 that actually go into the Rally Art. Let's get these fucking things on. Let's learn some shit. Insert cinematic shit here. No cinematic? No cinematic. Let's go straight to it. All right, so we took out all the older spark plugs. You can see they're pretty crusty. Mitch at the shop says they're not bad, but hey, we're due for a service anyways. Because what I was reading online is you're supposed to check if it's like bent, if the thing in the middle is gone or broken, right? I'm not lying. Well, yeah. If they're broken, then if they're broken, they're fucked, right? So the reason why I was actually wanting to replace the spark plugs is I was getting some like weird idling issues, or just like it was harder for me to start the cars from anyways, they were due for service, and let's unbox the new ones, see if I hopefully got the right ones. And yes, I got the right ones. You can tell the difference, like look how nice, pristine and clean these are, and this is just a old crusty ass thingamabobber. Difference is as clear as day. New spark plugs, all spark plugs, get rid of those, take these with me. Let's go get those on. So now that the new spark plugs are on, it is like a 1/4 turn to finish it off. We gotta put these coil packs back on. So I kind of put them on like lined up so you can see like 1, 2, 3, and then 4 back here. What I was gonna do originally is I was gonna take one off, take off the spark plug, and then put it back on. Take the other one off, put the spark plug off, take the spark plug off. Like I was gonna go like one by one, just so you don't confuse yourself. But because I saw the way that they lined up perfectly, so there's no way I can screw it up. And plus the way that they're tabbed onto the actual block, almost impossible to mess up, but you never know, right? So we're gonna put these back on. So then I just bring it on here. We go, oh my God. It's not gonna fit. Gotta give it a little. We got 2. Third one, just gotta make room with the cables. Then this 4th one looks a little tricky just because I have the actual pipe there. You can just fold it in right there. And that's it. Now you gotta screw them back on. We're gonna start the car. Hopefully it'll start because I got, Mitch says no. I say they fucking better start because, yeah. Let's check it out. Bam! Let's go! Where's Mitch? Where's Mitch?
God damn it!
Good thing I saw the waiver! Kashai! Let's go! Mitch coached me through how to take off the drain plug from the oil pan. Oil pan. Okay, listen, terminology does not matter as long as I know what I'm doing. I loosened it up already for video purposes, so it's actually easier for me to do it. I'm also 6'5" and I did not want to stand under the car for another 10 minutes. So right here, wait, is that on or off? I do not know. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So this is.
You're gonna turn it counterclockwise.
That's. So I'm gonna go. Okay, I got it. What?
You're tightening.
I'm tightening. Fuck! Like I said, I did not want to be under here for. Oh my God.
You better put that shit in.
Watch me drop the.
Watch me in it.
Watch me whip. So apparently I have to pull out really quick like my dad should have. Ah! Is that a chocolate fountain?
Oh shit, that's your brownie.
Oh, that's some quality service, bud.
You're going the wrong way, dude.
I am not.
This way.
That way?
Going this.
Fuck.
Look at that.
Ah! There we go.
There you go.
Oh yeah. So as it's getting loose, so I just like let it plop down. No, I'm just gonna splash everywhere.
It's gonna get on your hands. For good.
Okay. Kashai.
Don't fuck
Kashai.
it all.
Oh fuck. No. Ah! Fuck. You didn't tell me that wasn't happening.
I said it was gonna get everywhere, bro.
Fuck. Oh well. All right, so definitely we'll be investing in box gloves. You know what? I'm a little embarrassed, but who gives a shit? That's my first time I fucking ever done that, and I'm kind of proud of myself because I did it all by myself. Not all by myself, but we're gonna put the new filter on. What I do know about oil filters, you gotta lube it up a bit, and then right, put it back on, tighten it, put the new oil on top, let her rip, check the stick, start the car, and yeah, that's it, man. Like, we're done for today. We were going to do the broken bolts, screws, whatever, but honestly, I think it's more of a cosmetic thing. Probably get that done in one of the future videos. Hey, brother. So just around the ring?
Just around the rubber ring.
Ring-a-ding-a-ling.
So that when you go to take it off, it's not like impossible to take off. Are we looking for like an upside and a downside?
No, I'm reading the instructions.
Make sure you don't put it upside
Apply a
down.
thin film of oil, tighten filter gasket.
Make sure you don't put it upside down, eh? You can put it on.
Listen here. Where the fuck? Oh, there it is. It's like finding the clitoris. Okay.
Now bring your hand pretty sure I tightened it, but it's always good to make sure. Yeah, it's good.
Cool. This is the closest I'm gonna get to air suspension right here.
Hold the right lever down all the way,
And then
and then the left lever down all the way. And don't bring it up, like don't stop them.
we did it! We did it! We did it! Is this what they use in the commercials?
What?
Motor oil on pancakes? It fucking looks like fucking syrup.
Hey, try it.
Let's see if she starts.
Number one. So best.
Alright, so we're back home. I had such a great time working on my car. A huge shout out to everybody watching, my friends that are encouraging me, my family that, you know, are actually enjoying the videos of myself just doing what I like to do. I'm just so thankful, and I actually am genuinely super happy that I get to just hang out with my friends and do stuff to my car. It seriously makes me happy, you know. I saved money today by doing the oil change myself, you know. I learned something today. It's just everything's so positive coming out of these videos so far. It's only the third video. There's many more to come, but it's just everything that's come out of it so far is just it's great. Like, I can't even put together the words to say how happy I feel and how grateful I am for all of you. On that note, I'm going to wish you guys a good night. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys at the next video.